Have you ever been in a meeting or a conversation where everyone is aggressively trying to prove how smart they are? They shout their opinions, they try to outdo each other, and they lay all their cards on the table immediately. To society, these people seem intelligent and powerful, but the truth is the person who reveals their hand first has already lost. Welcome to the dark psychology of social dynamics. Today, we are going to explore one of the most powerful and underestimated Sigma traits, the ability to outsmart everyone by playing dumb. This is not about actually being ignorant. This is about using the illusion of ignorance to construct a perfect psychological trap. Most people are completely ruled by their ego. They cannot resist the chance to look smart or superior to someone else. They feed on validation and praise. This makes them predictable. This makes them weak. A high-value man knows that his intelligence is a tool, not a badge to be worn for attention. To master the art of playing dumb, you must understand a dark psychology concept from Robert Greene's 48 Laws of Power. Law number 21, seem dumber than your mark. When you deliberately present yourself as slightly naive or less informed than you actually are, you trigger a specific response in others. You neutralize their defenses. People automatically lower their guard around someone they do not consider a threat. Their competitive nature relaxes, and their need to validate their ego gets priority over their need for strategic caution. In a meeting or at a social gathering, your strategy should be simple. Let everyone else talk, let them argue. Let them show off, do not interrupt. Do not try to correct them, just observe. Occasionally ask seemingly simple or slightly confused questions. These are not just random questions. They are carefully designed to make others over-explain and reveal even more information. In their rush to look brilliant to you, they will tell you their secrets, their plans, and their true intentions. They think they are teaching you, but you are the one extracting all the value. The silence and patience required for this strategy give you a unique form of power, time and information. You are essentially a camera, silently recording everyone's weaknesses and desires. While they are busy competing with each other, you are busy analyzing the landscape. You do not need to fight for power. You simply wait until they destroy themselves with their own ego. True power does not need to advertise itself. True power is calm, patient, and strategically deceptive. Your intelligence is a private asset, and you should only reveal it when it is necessary to play your winning card. For now, let them think you are naive. Let them underestimate you. Let them build their own traps with their own overconfidence. Master your mind, master your reality. Subscribe to level up your psychology.